Let's learn the names of different types of doctors in English. General practitioner treats common illnesses and general health. The GP gave me medicine for my fever. Pediatrician, doctor for children. The pediatrician gave my baby a checkup. Cardiologist, heart specialist. He visited a cardiologist to manage irregular heartbeat. Pulmonologist, lung and breathing specialist. The pulmonologist treated her asthma. Nephrologist, kidney specialist. A nephrologist is a doctor who specializes in kidney diseases. Ophthalmologist, eye specialist. The ophthalmologist prescribed new glasses for me. Oncologist, cancer specialist. The oncologist explained the different treatment options for his cancer. Gastroenterologist, stomach and digestive system doctor. The gastroenterologist treated his stomach ulcer. Obstetrician, doctor for pregnancy and childbirth. The obstetrician delivered the baby safely. Gynecologist, women's reproductive health doctor. She visited the gynecologist for regular checkups. Endocrinologist, hormone and gland specialist. You should see an endocrinologist if you have thyroid issues or diabetes. Dermatologist, skin specialist. She visited a dermatologist to treat her acne. Orthopedic doctor, bones and joint specialist. He went to the orthopedic doctor after breaking his leg. Neurologist, brain and nervous system specialist. The neurologist treated her for migraine. Rheumatologist, specialist in arthritis and joint diseases. The rheumatologist helped with his painful joints. Dentist, treats teeth and gums. I visited the dentist because my tooth was hurting. Psychiatrist, mental health doctor, can prescribe medicine. The psychiatrist helped her manage stress. Urologist, urinary tract and male reproductive system. A urologist is a doctor who treats problems with the kidneys and bladder. Otolaryngologist, ear, nose, and throat doctor. She visited the otolaryngologist for her sinusitis. Immunologist, allergy and immune system doctor. The immunologist tested her for food allergies. Podiatrist, foot and ankle specialist. The podiatrist treated the patient's foot pain. Geriatrician, doctor for elderly people. The geriatrician helped my grandmother stay healthy. Veterinarian, animal doctor. The veterinarian gave the dog a vaccine. Surgeon, performs operations. The surgeons performed an appendix operation. Ophthalmic surgeon, eye surgeon. The ophthalmic surgeon performed cataract surgery. Plastic surgeon, improves appearance or reconstructs body parts. The plastic surgeon performed surgery for nose reshaping. Radiologist, uses X-rays, MRI, CT scans for diagnosis. The radiologist observed the X-ray carefully. Hematologist, blood specialist. The hematologist diagnosed her blood disorder. Pathologist, studies diseases through lab tests. The pathologist confirmed the cause of the illness. Anesthesiologist, gives anesthesia before surgery. The anesthesiologist gave her anesthesia for the surgery.